My name is Matilda Teria, also known as Miss Tilly, a lecturer at BlueCrest School of Fashion and Design. I lecture in garment construction and pattern making. PCGC is Professional Certificate in Garment Construction and Pattern Making. Our aim is to bring the informal sector to the classroom to kind of give them a training in garment construction using the modern techniques so that they can go out there to maximize their profits.
In PCGC class, they do take you through pattern making, sewing, and illustration. Whereby when I came, I didn't have idea of what sewing is, what pattern making is, and what illustration is. Actually, I thought coming into fashion was just like modeling and just modeling. But when I came, everything was different. So now I can sew on my own, do pattern on my own, illustrate on my own, which I really like it. And it's all about when you want to sew or when you want to design, we don't design from somebody else's design. We do create our own designs. That's why we are called fashion designers. So after you finish designing, then you go to the pattern lab where you make pattern of from your sketch. After the pattern, you come to the sewing lab, then you come and stitch what you drafted.
Normally, it is a weekend course that seeks to train the informal sector or the people who are, excuse my word, who are stitching by the roadside, if you excuse me to use that word, in containers and stuff. You could be doing this business of sewing in your own home. I welcome you to BlueCrest, because then it is here that we give you the right education as to how to make a proper garment using a modern techniques in constructing your garment. With this, a student is able to go through the proper measurement taking. Out of it, we develop the patterns, and then we kind of create designs using these patterns. Normally, when it comes to patterns, we have three principles. We have principle number one, that is dart manipulation, and principle number two, that is star line, and then principle number three, that is contouring. We inculcate all these three principles within this 6 months period, and then we are able to teach a student from the scratch. Even if you don't have any prerequisite, we can still train you to become a professional in whatever you are doing in dressmaking. After the 6 months, a student will be able to construct both casual wears and formal wears. We teach students to make shirts, we teach students to make trousers, we teach students to make jumpsuits, we teach students to make evening wear within these 6 months. All that we need is your passion, your love, and your creativity in BlueCrest, and you are good to go.